Welcome to another Designer's Den. I'm here at our Pueblo location with our very talented designer, Austin, and he put together this wonderful zen and tranquil area, and we're going to show you what you chose and how to do that with some of the stuff here at American.
So we wanted to create a space that has a sense of calm tranquility, a space where you feel grounded and connected with nature. So in order to do that, we chose a color palette that is void of color, so using warm neutrals, and then incorporated natural textures.
Absolutely, and that you did a magnificent job because I already feel calm in this space.
Good, good.
And some of the tranquility would be plants coming in.
Absolutely, bringing life into the space, connecting with nature.
And you bring a little bit of color in there.
A little bit,
yes. A little bit. So love these black accents, bringing that down into the rug, again, with some of those natural tones. And then, of course, even being more relaxed, we have these options of
massage chairs.
So these are great because they come in a fabric.
Yes, so they're not visually as heavy as some of the other options we carry.
This one's a little bit smaller, too.
Yes, so that one is great for a smaller space. This one has all the bells and whistles, 2 zero gravity positions.
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely a very calming, relaxing space.
Absolutely.
And again, I love this too. Just a nice little design feature that also brings in some of that natural tone.
Yes.
So we're going to come talk about just the sitting area as well.
So if you notice the rug, it has this organic feel to it, very linear as well, which ties in with some of these pieces like the console with the horizontal banding and again tying in with the wall.
Yes, love it. And who doesn't love a great fireplace, right?
Absolutely.
Warm and cozy, especially when it's a little bit chillier out.
Yes.
That's always nice. I do also love these chairs. They're swivel, which is amazing. These are also outdoor patio chairs, and who says you can't bring those indoor?
Absolutely.
Right. Love that,
and
like tip and trick. And this is such a great setting here as well. I mean, with the flowers, again, a little bit of nature. We have some of the natural elements that are up here as well. And how stinking cute is this little yoga
lady?
Just to add a little bit extra to your space.
Yes, and if you notice, we didn't over accessorize the space. Everything is still in the same color palette. Just it's layered.
And I think that's a really great
point. It's not overdone.
point.
It's not overstimulating.
Yeah. Really great point to bring up because you don't want to overlayer.
Absolutely.
Especially if you're trying to find a calming space,
Yes.
you want to have kind of less is more.
Yes.
And so with that being said, we're going to move over to our bedroom set over here and talk about some of those fun elements as well.
Perfect.
So this bed is amazing. So platform bed, which is
low
also
to the ground.
great. And it kind of still brings in that zen feel.
Yes.
Little mid-century modern, and then just kind of a whimsical bedspread, if you will, which is really great.
And we layered warm tones, cool tones, any of the natural tones. They really do blend together.
They do. They all
the rug is a great
complement
example
each other. And so this is also great too, kind of to tell your story. Kind of again bringing in some of those black accents that we've seen around the space, and still just some throws in here. You got some extra pillows that you can use for storage and multi-purpose. So what an amazing space.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yes, great job. Thank you for tuning in this week. You can find everything in this space and more at American Furniture Warehouse. We'll see you next time.